the Jingle Bell time of year. How do you get your children to read during this busy season? I have some great ideas to share with you, and you can pick the ones you like and maybe even give me some of your own. This year, we're wrapping books for my niece, and every time we see her, she's going to open one and get to read that book with us. If you have children at your house that you're with all the time, you can give them a book for every day. Either do 25 days of Christmas, or you can do 12 days of Christmas and give them one book each night if they're reading shorter picture books. Or if you have an older child reading thicker books, you can give them one each week and read it together as a family every night as a read aloud and talk about it. Or you can keep the reading going after Christmas and do the 12 days of Christmas after Christmas, which some people celebrate in other countries. Another idea you can try is to wrap up 13 books for your child to open in a big box on Christmas Day. One book will be for them to start reading on Christmas Day. You can label the other books with the months, and every month they can unwrap a new book. So it'll keep them reading throughout the entire year. And if you're feeling very adventurous, you could wrap up books and have book dates for your children. It could be like an advent calendar with 25 or just a few. You could use different wrapping paper to let them know what the theme is. Santa, snowmen, or you can just wrap them and put descriptions on them and let your child pick a book each day or each week depending on how they're feeling. You can keep that going after Christmas as well if you like, to put them in a big box and have a book date for the year. For the month of December, we would read holiday books, and then we would write the title and the author on a paper and stick it on the wall so we could see all the different books we were reading and see just how many books we read. You could do this with your family by making paper chains, and each person could have a different color paper chain and write their book and the title on, and you can link them all together and then see how much reading you did in the month of December. Another one I want to try this year, because I just found out about it, is from Iceland. It's called the Christmas Book Flood. It started during World War II when there was rationing on paper, and they've continued it up until now. Every Christmas Eve, a family member gives another family member a book, and then they spend the night reading their book, eating treats, and drinking hot chocolate. And you can throw in our Christmas tradition of getting new pajamas to wear while you're doing it. Another fun idea that I like is booking a movie night. You can do this just in December or make it a plan throughout the year. You can pick out books for your child that you know they'll like that have a movie that goes with them. And in December, you could read a book during the week and then have a movie night on the weekends with popcorn. Or you could gift them all of those books for Christmas, and as you read them as a family or your child reads them, you can plan the movie night, watch the movie, compare and contrast the movie with the book, and eat special treats. Do whatever you like to do as a family for family movie night. That'll keep your child reading throughout the whole year. If you like these ideas and you want some more ideas to keep your child reading in fun ways throughout the year, go to zookidsreading.com and sign up for our newsletter. You can also sign up for our Facebook group where I give fun tips for every day of the year. If you want to help your child learn to read, remember, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get the notification. Remember to join our Facebook group. Ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and check out some more of our videos that YouTube suggests.